Can you see your Gmail password if you've forgotten it? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can see our Gmail password if we have forgotten it. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is head over to your Gmail. Now, if you've forgotten your password but you're still logged in into your Gmail, you can actually access its data. So for that, open up your Gmail app, tap on the top right corner on your icon, and then tap on Manage Your Google Account. After you tap on Manage Your Google Account, there you should see your home option here, your personal info, your data and privacy, your security, and people and sharing. So here you can see your personal info, including your name, your email address, and stuff like that. But there is no option for your password. So there is a password section, but if you head over there, what you'll notice is that you can only change your password, but you cannot actually just see your password. So even for that, you will need to enter your password. Since you do not know your password, you can just head back here. Now head over to data and privacy, and you'll notice that there is no option where you can actually see your password. Now it's the same for security. Here you will see the password option. So just head over to password, and even after you head over to password, you might even have to enter your password for you to access your password, and you actually do not know your password, so that won't work. So yeah, you cannot actually see your Gmail password, guys. The reason might be because Google uses hashing. So yeah, they just hash your password and they keep it in that form, so they cannot actually show you your exact password. So yeah, that is all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. The only thing that you can actually do here is change your password by using the forgot password method. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.